here's the thing. One good EMP pulse from the alien's energy weapon, and all this is gone forever. On a more realistic level, there's no guarantee that anything I write today will continue to exist after my host fails and my house catches fire and my backup files burn down. There's no guarantee that the government won't change at some point and shut everything down and erase all the hard drives. Well, they'll die trying, but there's no guarantee that anything we write today will continue to exist. It's a completely fragile medium. It does not exist outside of the tools used to access it.
So this is not a medium for somebody who has like these Ozymandian dreams.
It's not for posterity. Blogging is not going to, what you write today is not going to last longer than it takes to wipe the record of it. There are, earthen jars made by slaves 5,000 years ago in Egypt that are still around. Clay was a good medium. Blogging is fragile and transitory at best. That said, there is nothing so virulent and hard to kill as something you wrote that you regretted. And I think every blogger who's been at it for a while has done it at one point or another, written something they really shouldn't have, and they may have gone back later and taken it down or edited it or something like that, but it's still around in some form, and someone always brings it back and calls them on it. The web will be around in some form or another, and indeed, everything we do may be data-based. It's already obviously being meta-tagged and stored and indexed at Google and Technorati and all the other search engines. I think there are two answers really. It's just data and it doesn't mean anything and it's gone, or the most powerful thing in the world is an idea, and you cannot kill an idea. And that's at the core of why a lot of people blog.